Creating NFT digital art for beginners involves these steps. Create artwork. Produce digital art using software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Procreate, or any graphic design tool. Ensure your work is unique and of high quality. Understand NFT platforms. Research NFT platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, or Foundation. These platforms allow artists to mint and sell NFTs. Set up a digital wallet. Create a digital wallet compatible with your chosen NFT platform. MetaMask is a popular choice for Ethereum-based platforms. Mint your art. Sign up on your chosen NFT platform and follow their guidelines to mint your digital art. This process involves uploading your digital art, adding information about it, and paying a minting fee. Attach royalties and licenses. Consider setting a percentage royalty for secondary sales. This means that you will receive a percentage of profits if your artwork is sold in the future. List and price your NFT. Set a price for your NFT and list it on the platform. Craft a detailed description and title to attract potential buyers. Promote your NFT. Market your NFT on social media, artist communities, and forums. Engaging with the community can increase visibility and potential sales.